Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, Mrs. Smith. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. Today, I thought we could work on expanding your vocabulary. Does that sound good to you?
Yes, that sounds good. I would like to learn more words.
Wonderful. Let's talk about restaurants. Have you been to a restaurant recently?
Yes, I went to a new Italian restaurant last weekend.
That sounds wonderful. What did you order?
I ordered a margherita pizza and a side of garlic bread.
Nice choices. Did you have any dessert?
Yes, I had tiramisu. It was delicious.
Tiramisu is a classic Italian dessert. Do you know what ingredients are in it?
I think it has coffee, mascarpone cheese, and cocoa powder.
Correct. It's a layered dessert that also includes ladyfingers soaked in coffee. How is the service at the restaurant?
The service was excellent. The waiters were very attentive and friendly.
That's great to hear. Do you have a favorite type of cuisine?
I really enjoyed Japanese cuisine, especially sushi and ramen.
Japanese cuisine is very popular. Sushi and ramen are both delicious and unique. Do you know the difference between nigiri and sashimi?
Yes, nigiri is a slice of fish on top of rice, while sashimi is just slices of raw fish without rice.
Exactly. Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I like both, but I think eating out is a nice treat.
Eating out can be a great experience. It's nice to try new dishes and enjoy the ambience of different restaurants. Let's move on to our next topic, the weather. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm today.
Perfect summer weather. Do you prefer sunny days or rainy days?
I prefer sunny days. Rainy days make me feel sleepy.
I understand. Sunny days are great for outdoor activities. What do you usually do on a sunny day?
I like to go for a walk in the park or have a picnic with friends.
That sounds lovely. What about during the winter? Do you enjoy cold weather?
Not really. I prefer warmer weather. But I do like the snow.
Snow can be beautiful. Do you do any winter sports?
I have tried skiing a couple of times. It's fun but challenging.
Skiing can be quite difficult, especially for beginners. Have you ever experienced extreme weather, like a storm or a heat wave?
Yes, last summer we had a heat wave. It was so hot, I had to stay indoors most of the time.
Heat waves can be tough. It's important to stay hydrated and cool. What's your favorite season?
I think my favorite season is autumn. The weather is mild, and I love the changing colors of the leaves.
Autumn is beautiful with all the vibrant foliage. It's also a great time for outdoor activities without the extreme heat or cold. Now, let's talk about clothing. What kind of clothes do you like to wear?
I usually wear casual clothes, like jeans and t-shirts.
Casual clothing is comfortable. Do you have a favorite brand?
I like brands like Levi's for jeans and H&M for everyday wear.
Those are popular choices. How about formal clothing? Do you have a suit or a dress for special occasions?
Yes, I have a suit that I wear for events like weddings or formal dinners.
A suit is a good investment. Do you prefer shopping in stores or online?
I prefer shopping online. It's convenient, and there are more options.
Online shopping is indeed convenient. Do you follow fashion trends?
Not really. I prefer warmer weather. But I do like the snow.
That's a good approach. Fashion should be about personal style and comfort. Are there any traditional clothes from your culture that you like?
Yes, we have traditional outfits for festivals and ceremonies. They are very colorful and intricate.
Traditional clothing often has beautiful designs and is rich in cultural significance. Do you wear them often?
Mostly during festivals or special occasions. They are quite special to me.
Let's discuss pollution. Are you concerned about pollution in your city?
Yes, very much. The air quality can be really poor sometimes.
Air pollution is a serious issue. What do you think causes the most pollution?
I think cars and factories are the biggest contributors.
You're right. Emissions from vehicles and industrial activities are major sources of pollution. Have you heard about any measures being taken to reduce pollution?
Yes, there are initiatives like promoting public transportation, planting more trees, and reducing plastic use.
Those are all important steps. Do you personally do anything to help reduce pollution?
I try to use public transport, recycle, and minimize plastic use.
Those are great practices. Every small effort counts. How do you think we can raise more awareness about pollution?
I think education and community programs can help. People need to understand the impact of their actions on the environment.
Education is key. It's important to inform people about the effects of pollution and how they can help mitigate it. Let's talk about a memorable event in your life. Can you share one with me?
Sure. One memorable event was my trip to Japan last year.
That sounds amazing. What made the trip so memorable?
It was my first time traveling abroad, and I got to experience a different culture and see amazing places.
Traveling abroad can be a life-changing experience. What were some highlights of your trip?
Visiting Tokyo, trying sushi at a traditional restaurant, and seeing Mount Fuji were some of the highlights.
Traveling abroad can be a life-changing experience. What were some highlights of your trip?
The language barrier was a bit challenging, but most people were very helpful and friendly.
It's great that you managed despite the language barrier. What did you learn from this experience?
I learned a lot about Japanese culture and realized how important it is to be open-minded and adaptable.
Traveling teaches us so much about the world and ourselves. Do you plan to travel more in the future?
Definitely. I want to explore more countries and cultures.
That's wonderful. Traveling can broaden your horizons and create lasting memories. Lastly, let's talk about hobbies. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading, painting, and playing the guitar.
Those are great hobbies. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read fiction, especially fantasy and science fiction.
Fiction can be very imaginative and engaging. Do you have a favorite book or author?
I love the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling.
The Harry Potter series is a favorite for many. What about painting? What do you like to paint?
I mostly paint landscapes and sometimes portraits.
Painting landscapes requires a good eye for detail and color. Do you take lessons or are you self-taught?
I'm mostly self-taught, but I have taken a few classes to improve my skills.
That's impressive. Playing the guitar is also a wonderful skill. How long have you been playing?
I have been playing for about 3 years now.
That's great. Do you play any specific genre of music?
I like to play rock and pop songs.
Rock and pop are both fun genres to play. Do you perform in front of others, or is it just a hobby for yourself?
Mostly for myself, but I have played at a few small gatherings.
Performing in front of others can be a great experience. Hobbies are important for relaxation and personal growth.